Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another law of attraction video and a spirituality video and a manifestation video. Construction work is going on right above my apartment right now and there literally sounds like the roof is gonna cave in, so if you hear that at any time, I'm sorry. So I am going to be talking about resources for the law of attraction for beginners or non-beginners if you're wanting just a refresh or anything like that. So I'm going to be giving you guys 5 resources, all linked in my description below, for really good resources for the law of attraction and ways that it really helped me learn more about it. So resource number 1 is watch or read The Secret. This is the most obvious one. It is so powerful. It really changed my life and altered everything for me, and I really recommend watching that if you're wanting to get into the law of attraction but you don't know where to start. It is an amazing place to start. There's also a couple of series of books that The Secret has made. Those are all really helpful as well. There's books like The Hero and The Gratitude Guided Journal and everything like that, and I would recommend going and checking those out as well. The second resource that I have is to open your mind to the possibilities, because if you are a skeptic like I was when I started, it is very hard to actually see success stories and to see manifestation coming into fruition coming into play when you are having a really closed mind and you're not open to receiving the amazing manifestations that are waiting to happen to you. So my second really big resource slash tip slash trick slash advice, I don't know why I'm calling this a resource, is to open your mind. If you're having a hard time doing that, just go ahead and start meditating and just allowing yourself and telling yourself that you are not in a box. I liked to envision myself inside of a box and then just slowly breaking out of it, and with one hand, another hand, my head, my shoulders, my chest, my stomach, my legs, and then I was free. And by envisioning this visual of me breaking out of this box, it really allowed me to open my mind and be able to further allow more possibilities to come in and allow myself to actually see manifestations happening. If you tell yourself that this will not work, this will not work. Point blank, simple, period. It's how the law of attraction works. You invite that negativity into your head and the negativity will run with it. If you invite positivity into your head, the positivity will run with it. You have to allow yourself to think that this stuff is going to happen and to believe that it is going to happen 100%. Don't let those negative thoughts come into your head, and if they do, acknowledge them and disperse them and continue moving forward. My third resource is going to be some podcasts, which I'm going to link down below. Podcasts are really important for me because if you're like me and you drive a lot, it's kind of hard to sit and just watch a movie or read a book all the time. So for me, listening to Law of Attraction podcasts is an amazing way to get to learn more in the time that I'm not able to read or watch a movie. Also, it's really important to hear other people's perspective on the law of attraction because you see it the same, but they also see it so different, and it gives you a much deeper understanding of what the law of attraction is by hearing it from multiple perspectives. I'm going to link a couple of podcasts down below that have really helped me and given me a clear visual of how to use the law of attraction. My fourth resource that I'm going to tell you guys is to journal, honey. Journaling is really important and a really powerful tool for the law of attraction. When you are journaling, you are able to clearly and concisely see the vision that you are wanting to achieve. Writing it down is giving you a clear pathway of how to attain those goals, and I think it is very powerful. I personally think it is really nice to use a guided journal, but I also like just going freehand and doing whatever the heckaroonie that I want to do. I'm going to link some guided journals down below for you guys if you're wanting specific law of attraction journals. Law of attraction journals I'm going to be showing you guys are ones that already have manifestations up at the top and then can kind of guide you through how to be really positive and how to do gratitudes, because being grateful is a huge part of the law of attraction. So gratitudes and journaling is crucial. So again, I will link those in my description down below. And my fifth resource slash guide slash tip is going to be to start small. If you are just now getting into law of attraction and you're just now getting into manifestation, you're not going to want to start with something huge, because if you don't see it happen immediately, it's very easy to get discouraged. My tip would be to start with something really small, like $20 or a parking spot or a cup of tea or something like that, just to start. And then once you see those things really happening and coming into action, it'll be a lot easier to start to get bigger and use bigger dreams and bigger goals and bigger manifestations. So for me, what I like to do, have a specific drink at Starbucks that I like to get. So I started by just driving in the drive-through line and telling myself, oh, I'm so grateful for my free drink today. It's gonna be so nice not have to pay for it and just to really get to enjoy my free drink. It's so exciting. It tastes so good. I love it. I'm so grateful for the person who paid for it for me. And I get up to the window, and I didn't even start to hand them my card because I knew in my mind that this was free. And lo and behold, the lady at working said, "Oh, no worries, the lady in front of you already paid for it." And I said, "You bet she did." Now you can take this point to also pay it forward and pay for the person behind you like I did, or just take your free drink and be like, heck yeah, I got a free drink. Whatever floats your boat. Start small and then you can get increasingly bigger. So those are my 5 main resources / tips and tricks and guides to learning more and how to use the law of attraction and manifestation. So I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. Comment down below what you guys would like to see next, and I will see you guys for my next video. Keep your vibes high, and I love you guys so much. Bye.